Hi everyone, this is a group presentation on the topic Cloud Computing and Virtualization Tools. This is Yashwanth and I am sharing the session with my team members Dinesh, BABU and Arsath. In this session, we will be discussing about the cloud computing, service models, deployment models, characteristics of cloud computing, virtualization tools and types, and then advantages and disadvantages and use cases of the cloud computing. Now, let's see about the cloud computing. It denotes a model on which a computing infrastructure is viewed as a cloud, from which business and individuals can access their application from anywhere in the world on demand. The main principle behind this model is offering computing and storage and software as a service. The examples of cloud computing are Google Cloud, Adobe Creative Cloud, and then Microsoft Power BI. The cloud computing has provided many services and applications for the users over the internet. The most widespread services of cloud computing are categorized into three service classes, which are called cloud service models or cloud reference models. They are based on the abstractions levels of the offered capabilities in the service models. The various service models are infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and then the software as a service. In cloud computing, the deployment models are defined according to where the computing infrastructure resides and who the controls the infrastructure. The NIST has classified the cloud deployment models into four categories, namely private cloud, public cloud, hybrid cloud, and community cloud. The public cloud is the one which can be generally accessible by all the people around the world. The private cloud is the one which can be accessible only within an organization. The community cloud allows the system and services to be accessible by a group of organizations. The hybrid cloud is a mixture of both private and the public cloud. There are many characteristics that has been offered by the cloud computing. They are broad network access, resource pooling, rapid elasticity, on-demand self-services, and the measured service. On-demand self-services, users can be manage the resources as they need. In broad network access, services can be accessible over the internet from the variety of devices. In measurable service, users only pay for the resources that they can be consumed. In resource pooling, resources can be shared along multiple devices for allowing the efficiency. Let us go into the virtualization topic. Virtualization is the process of creating a virtual instance of a technology resource like storage, memory, or an OS instead of using the actual resource. Essentially, virtualization software can convert a single computer into a multiple ones. There are many features for virtualization. Some of them are virtual machine administrator alerts, processor and memory allocation to virtual machines, dynamic resource allocation, performance monitoring, programmable APIs, and the future requirements predictions. The types of virtualizations are application virtualization, desktop virtualization, network virtualization, storage virtualization, server virtualization, and the data virtualization. The remaining topics will be discussed by my friends.
Okay, let me discuss about the importance of virtualization. Virtualization is used for better utilization of the server or desktop. Virtualization is used for easy disaster recovery solution, faster rollout of new servers, migration of the systems becomes very easy in virtualization, lesser resources are required for the management in virtualization. Virtualization tools. Virtualization tools helps in achieving virtualization in many types of hardware. Some of the popular virtualization tools used in computing fields are Virtual Network User Mode Linux, VirtualBox, VMware Server, QEMU, Xen, VMware. Let me discuss about the Virtual Network User Mode Linux. Virtual Network User Mode Linux is an open source and is available to all users for free download. Virtual Network User Mode Linux is basically a virtualization tool used for multiple virtual systems of Linux operating system. Next we discuss about the VirtualBox. VirtualBox is used for implementation of virtual machines on the physical computers and servers. It also does full virtualization in the host computer, which means that Without any modification in the operating system, the guest operating system is executed on the host computer. VMware Server. VMware Server is a source-free virtualization tool for Linux as well as Windows operating system. VMware Server is based on full virtualization. QEMU. QEMU is used for execution of virtualization in the operating systems like Linux and Windows. QEMU is a popular open source emulator that provides fast emulation by the help of dynamic translation. Xen. Xen is also an open source tool for virtualization used widely for para virtualization in the host PC and guest computers. VMware. VMware is a virtual machine platform which helps in execution of unmodified operating system on the host or user level application hardware. Let me discuss about the benefits of virtualization. Reduced upfront hardware and continuing operating cost is done by virtualization only. Minimized or eliminated downtime is a benefit of virtualization. Increased IT productivity and responsiveness, greater business continuity and disaster recovery response, simplified data center management, faster provisioning of applications and resources are some of the benefits of virtualization.
Hi, I am going to explain about the challenges in cloud computing. First one is security and compliance. Concerns about data breaches, compliance with regulations and data privacy. Second one is data transfer cost. Moving large volumes of data in and out of the cloud can incur additional expenses. Next one is vendor locking. Adopting specific cloud services can make it challenging to switch providers. The next one is downtime. Even though cloud providers aim for high availability, downtime can still occur. The topic followed by challenges in cloud computing is use cases. First one, data storage and backup. Store data securely in the cloud and create backups for disaster recovery. Web hosting and development. Host websites, web applications and development environments in the cloud. Big data and analytics. Utilize cloud resource for processing and analyzing large datasets. IoT. Connect and manage IoT devices and process data in the cloud. Machine learning and AI. Leverage cloud based AI and ML services for predictive analytics and automation. The following topic is advantages of cloud computing storages, accessibility and convenience. Anywhere access. Users can access their files and data from any device with an internet connection, making it easy to work or retrieve information from virtually anywhere. Availability, elastic storage. We can use so amount of storage without bothering the type and availability of the storage. Next one is cost efficiency. Pay as you go. No maintenance cost. Data redundancy and backup. Data protection. Cloud storage providers often replicate data across multiple data centers and implement robust data backup and recovery procedures, reducing the risk of the data loss due to hardware failures or disaster. Version control. Many cloud storage services maintain version history for files, allowing users to revert to previous versions if needed. The following topics are security, automatic sync, disaster recovery, environmental impact, global research. If you can read, you will easily understand these topics. Next, we fall into the topic called disadvantages. Even though many advantages are there in cloud computing, disadvantages are also occurs. They are data loss or theft, data leakage, account or service hijacking, insecure interfaces and APIs, denial of service attacks, technology vulnerabilities, especially in shared environment. Thank you.